Amen. Amen. Yeah, Brian, you have anything you want to say?
Oh, man, I'm just taking it in. When you were talking, I don't really know how this is gonna unfold. I was kind of questioning this, but I closed my eyes just to kind of focus. But when you were, I think it was Daniel, you were first started talking about Eden. And when you started talking about that, I had like a glimpse while my eyes were still open, a glimpse for a split second, as if I was already after this earth was completed in a moment. And I was looking down into Eden and seeing, a glimpse of a woman and an apple, even though I don't think it was an apple, and whatnot. And almost looking back like, oh, that's what that was. Like I had full understanding, but I literally can't explain it. And I was like, Lord, was I for a split second? Did you allow me to tap into like eternity? And then so I closed my eyes and I just saw as if I was looking down at myself and I was wearing like this white robe with the golden sash around my like a belt. And the Father was on my left and I just felt like he was handing me something. And I looked and it was like a diploma. And it was a graduation. And it was like parchment. It was like a scroll. And then I looked to my right and I saw both of you, Daniel, and you were next to me, and then Ben, you were there, and we were all like dressed the same, and our little thrones were next to the Lord, and we're just kind of like curving. I didn't see anyone else there, but it just made me think of like the graduation ceremony after all this is done, and we're gonna be able to look back and see and have full understanding of everything that happened. But in reality, we're already there.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
And all they need to do is believe.
But it's so interesting you talked about that rounding part, because I see when I'm in the throne room, I always see the 4 and 20 elders. It's this like round curve and my seat is with them. So it's like, that is awesome. That's hilarious.
Oh, wow. Oh, man.
I use the word hilarious just because it's like, so it's impossible, that people would have the same vision, but
Oh, yes. I love it when God does that. Yeah.